So here we are on a big old house over in Warrington, installing a Starlink for a customer who's had no internet whatsoever, as he doesn't get anything on a big private estate. Here we've installed a 12x12 galvanised bracket, 3-foot mast, wired down in Cat 6 cable into the living room there. We then come back out, up, right along the top, down into the kitchen there. We've also wired one over the roof, down into his office inside there, back out of that deco, round to a bedroom over there, and then 2 wireless decos dotted around in the spare bedrooms. Customers receiving speeds of over 250 megabytes per second all throughout the property.